Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Honda CRV. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and ensure it's discoverable. Next, press the phone button on your CRV's dashboard. This will initiate the pairing process, guiding you through the steps to link your device for hands-free communication and audio streaming. It's a simple process that enhances your driving experience. Once you've pressed the phone button, navigate to Phone Setup on your audio display. From there, select Connect New Device. Your CRV will then search for available Bluetooth devices. Find your phone's name in the list and select it. A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm that these codes match to complete the connection. It's a quick and secure way to link your devices. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the CRV's audio system. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. You might also need to delete any old phone pairings from your car's memory to make space for a new connection. Double-check your phone's Bluetooth settings for any privacy restrictions, and ensure your phone's operating system is updated for optimal performance. These steps often fix common problems. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and audio streaming. Use the steering wheel controls to answer or make calls, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream music, podcasts, or navigation audio directly through your CRV speakers. Access your phone's contact list right from the car's display, making communication convenient and safe while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.